Wonderful day to you out there with the watchers and listen to CHRICED Radio and Television, where your matter now we own. My name na Princess Anyana, and this na Ogbonge Women. Ogbonge Women, now that's a wonderful program, your favorite show, where they celebrate the wonderful and mighty contributions them of correct women, where they break boundary, where they do things them, where we say they put women out there, they show you how women supposed to be and how they say they make things happen inside different fields them, and also they inspire other people journey. Now, for inside the one we'll carry come today, dey you normal to the see woman say they ride Okada, both for private or be just for chilling and enjoying themselves. But today we get somebody where they carry this Okada rider, a woman where they carry Okada riding, take the do work to take the survive. We go bring you the wonderful, inspiring story of what we feel. Say, now the only woman Okada rider inside Abuja be this. And this now none other than Madam Atabo Justina. Madam Atabo Justina say she not look, say they say na man walk or say na boy walk. She break all of that barrier and she enter into this work of Okada rider with the mind of say she go feel use and take the survive herself and they survive her family. If you go think, say, you go the question what we go they ask for the program today be say, Madam Justina, wetin be your inspiration? Wetin make you get the mind to enter inside this work? How your journey take start? Wetin be the challenges where you don't face inside this work where you they do? And wetin they keep you going? Wetin make you they go ahead even with everything where they involved? All of this and more now go be the questions we go come up inside the program. But before all of that, take this journey with me for a very short report where CHRICED Radio and Television been do when they take waka reach Madam Justina house to take go koro see where she for they run her business. No go anywhere. Enjoy the report.
For Abuja, as things don't cost well, work no dey and house rent don't high, it don't make life hard for everybody. One of the people where they face this kind wahala na Atabo Justina. She break the belief say Okada na only man work as she become the first and only woman where they ride Okada for Abuja. Justina na mama of 3 pikin and she dey live for Maraba, one satellite town where the outskirts of Abuja. She tell CHRICED TV waiting ginger her make she enter the Okada business.
It all started on the 28th of November 2020. That year was a very challenging year for me. And there was a situation in the house that day that pushed me very hard to enter this road. That day, there was no food in my house. Then my ex-husband was doing a security work, so he was in the office. And these 2 children, these 2 boys I have then were sick. No food, no money, no drugs. And we're having a bike packed. Whenever he came from work, he used to use it. And I say, Kai, if I look these children like this man is not at home, something will happen. That was what pushed me that very day.
She and her husband buy the Okada and both of them they use and carry passengers to make money. Even when she get belle, she still dey ride Okada so she fit support her family.
When I took in for this little girl, 2023, I was going to road with pregnancy. I was using bike with pregnancy of this girl.
Things gone hard for her when the Okada spoil completely. Her marriage gone scatter join and the hardship come increase. Because of the situation, Justina gats find another way to survive.
Everything I do, this bike cannot meet up truly. As I am talking to you, I do agent work. If I carry my passenger, I'll tell you there's house for house rent too. If you want to rent, I'll carry you, go there, collect my commission. It's part of what is giving me income. As I am, I see somebody who is looking for painter or someone who wants to do plastering, I'll collect the job. So I begin to sell pure water. As you are coming, you see one company here called Ugo Pure Water. I used to supply, push inside wheelbarrow and be giving people around Nyanya. I was supplying that pure water for 1 year.
Later, one good Samaritan helped am by buying brand new Okada, give am free of charge. Na so she returned back to the Okada business. Since then, na from the business she take care of herself, her 3 children, her younger brother, and her niece, where they help her look after the children inside their one-room apartment. For her children and family, Justina na the best thing wey don happen to them.
My mommy is a very good woman to my dad. She have done working that we want to give us. She have done everything that wants for me, and I appreciate that.
Sometimes she helped me financially, and in any way, she's just like a mother to me.
Okay, my auntie is a great woman. She's a strong woman. She works so hard to pay our school fees. So I appreciate that. Thank her.
Be that woman will be say she just be strong and very good in anything she do.
Justina talk say apart from the stress of riding and the bad roads, she no dey face any serious challenge to meet her daily targets. She also talks say her first customer, her fellow Okada riders and security officers give her plenty encouragement to continue.
The only challenge in this job is the tiring. You understand? You see, as our road day now, if you enter around like this, till evening, if you lie down on this bed, you know if you stand up. Apart from that stress and the road challenge, there's no challenge. One man was coming. He desperately needs Okada that will take him to Nyanya. Immediately he saw me. I do hand like this. I said, "Oh, guy, you dey go?" He said, "Mother, you dey go?" I said, "Carry me." I said, "Okay, sir." That was my first passenger. And when I carried him from Asusi to Nyanya, NNPC was 200 naira that day, that time. But when I dropped him, he gave me 500 naira and encouraged me. He said, "Go, leave the change, but don't be discouraged."
All of us have been to this road to hustle. It's waking up around 5:30 in the morning till 8:30 in the evening. Sometimes close before her, sometimes close before me. All of us we are here to drag you up and down. In fact, I am in the road, rider, no use car.
Tana kokari sosai wajen Okada nan, na san ta sama da shekara 6. Tana ba kokari sosai anan wajen Okada.
When I help her in my say she just come. When I don't give her passenger for my bus stop, she's so happy. She told me that this passenger, when I give it to her, now 400 naira she carry them go. But me, something when she understand Okada business, she now come dash me the 400 naira. I now come back again. People they come, I don't give her the passenger. I give her the passenger. She don't went out.
If you come to Nyanya, there are places whereby machine no dey park there. But all these officers will say, "Oh, you stand here, carry your passenger and go." You understand? They encourage me a lot, so they don't give me issue.
She says she prefer Okada work past small salary jobs because the money they come every day. She still encourage young women make they no fear to learn the work if na waiting go help them make ends meet.
I don't do salary work before. I don't work with a security company. I don't work as a vigilante before. Do you understand? So, and all this salary work, I see that it does not meet up with my responsibility. But when I enter road with this machine on a daily basis, if I can get 10,000 naira now, I remove 3,000, 4,000 for fuel. That 6,000 that remain will do something for me that day. So I'm encouraging women, especially in Nigeria, instead of to sit back and wait for manners to fall from heaven, wait for something good to happen. I think you start from somewhere. Start from somewhere. If you have an understandable husband, or if you are single, you know you can do it, try it. It's not too bad. It's not too bad to start with. You see, as people follow me, see as I ride that bike, I no get fear again.
At the end of the day, one thing dey clear for Justina: survival na the main thing, She believe say no be whether you be man or woman dey determine how person go put food for table, but courage, determination and hard work.
All right, welcome back. So you don't see am. Ogbonge woman we get doings, where they carry the matter go where we no even expect. But I get Justina Atabo inside the studio with me. Madam, thank you, say you show for we station.
Thank you, ma.
Abeg, with everything we don't see and everything we don't talk, tell us, wetin make you start this journey of to become woman Okada rider?
Well, nothing much. It just be say in the year 2020, November, when I start, wetin push me enter this road, na him be hunger. You understand? Now my inspiration be that I don't like to see children going hungry. So this particular day, I take it as a challenge that no food and children were looking at me. That eye, when they take the look me, inspire me to stand up, carry machine, enter road. And since then, it has been wonderful.
Okay, now tell us about yourself. Who be Justina Atabo? Where you come from? Wetin your small pikin would be like? Just allow make people wey dey watch us, they listen, know you. Minus say you even dey do Okada work. Who you be, Gongo?
My name is Atabo Justina. I come from Otobo Adopulu, Ajaka, in Igalamela, Odolo local government, Kogi State. I was brought up in a family of 9, and my childhood is not that easy because the children wey my papa get, them plenty. So it make me from childhood, I no slack at all.
So growing up, you see yourself saying now Okada rider you go do for future. Wetin be your dreams? Wetin be your inspiration, your aspiration, and how it is different from where you dey today?
Well, I no envision myself say one day I go ride Okada. Not at all. I been get big dream for myself. But then life happens. From when I dey small, when I see how the struggle dey, I begin to pick challenge. Because in my JSS3, me and my elder sister did the same class. My papa say, the money go too much for junior WAEC. You, wey be small, you wait, make your elder sister go. I say, Pala, no go happen. That was how I started carrying shovel, going from one site to another, mixing cement, concrete, to have daily, job. That was how I gather money for my junior WAEC. And since then, I've been taking care of my education till I finish NCE.
So you get NCE, that's
Yes,
your highest qualification for now.
Yes.
But if I understand this your talk, you don't say where you don't dey hustle.
Don't do around the hustle.
Apart from this Okada rider, wetin be other areas where you specialize inside? How many work you actually sabi and you dey do?
I sabi the bricklaying work because as I dey follow them for daily job, the engineers started teaching me plastering, teaching me how to lay blocks, and that was how I learned it. And I also do painting by the special grace of God. So that is how I am maneuvering my way till today.
You don't marry?
Yes, ma'am. I've been married before, but not anymore.
Okay, how many children?
I get 3 children, 2 boys and 1 girl.
So how you take be? Now how you take they survive? How your children take they survive? Then they school?
Yes, the children dey school. God dey help me. As I know the slack for anything what they do. If I see site work today, I'll pack my machine. If money dey inside, as it's in a big contract, I go pack machine, enter that one. When I do, there's a time I do 2-3 months, I was not on the road. I do my site work finish, get reasonable something I go fee, do 1 or 2.
But why we say all of the work where you they mention, there seem to be like work when a man they do am. Why not those ones you they do? And how it take they be you? Say, most times men where they do this one, like it go be like dirty job. And you are a woman where you supposed soft, where you just supposed sit down, maybe they pamper her. Why be say now all this kind type work now you they put hand?
Well, if you look at it very well now, waiting they give me urgent money and reasonable money. You know why? If you say me go play there, for instance, now, how much? Now you will play there for village, for instance. You no go get anything. But if you go miss concrete, that year, they fit give you 1.5. And that 1.5 go hard woman where they do any woman work before she gets that money. So now why you see me say that they put body for what men they do, and they disturb me at all.
But what's in the people reaction? Your family reaction, the time where they married, your husband reaction, people around. Men know they fear to approach you with the kind thing where you they do so.
Yes, truly, growing up was not easy. Men they fear. Maybe say the first man who even told me have to call look for job for the site where I dey work, so that I go get my attention, because some people say, your lady no go there. She use her hand slap you. Person they carry cement. So all those things now. But then I'm a very, very nice person. I no get issue. I know they fight. I know they query. But people do fear me anyway.
So what's in the reactions towards the work the way they do? Like your family, you get friends, you get people where they support you, or people they run away from you, or they look say kai.
I get friends and I get family. When I started, my mother used to be scared, but my father used to believe in me very well. He always said that I'm the man child where he's supposed to get, but he don't know how God take turn me to woman. So my father, he always gave me ginger when he was alive, before he passed on 3 years ago. But my mom, they always fear, but I'll just call her. Anything where you hear, just know say I did all right.
Okay, so make we come back to you as like we talk for our report. Say to the best of our knowledge, now you be the first and maybe probably only woman Okada rider where they Abuja right now. So the Okada riding journey business, like you talk, hunger, now you push you enter there. Take us through the first experience, like how the thing reach. Is it that they do any other thing, or na person introduce you to the market, or now you just stand up one day choose say now Okada you want to do, and then when you enter for streets, was it so easy to begin to get passenger?
Well, it was not easy. The truth of the matter is that when that hunger pushed me, it don't take away the thing they give me push, but I dey resistance. But the person who kukuma encourage me is Pastor Jeremy Omachi. He's one of my pastor. If you see me pass with machine, if I come, Daddy, good afternoon. He say, Justina, this bike where you the pilot like this, if you use and they make money, go good do. I say that he did my mind, but I dey fear. He say fear of what? I say fear of people. You not fear to enter road. He now say don't listen to people. If you can do it, do it. That was how I enter road. But the first day where I enter road, around 8:30 a.m. in the morning, immediately I reach Associate Junction. All the Okada were looking at me first. Then people always they say kunu, they say agbo, everybody they look me. Even the passengers when they come look for Okada, then they look me. I just bow my face. They say, what did they do? I say, na passenger come carry. They come bust laugh. You know that kind of laugh where we say you must say shame go come catch you. But person where they hungry, no they shame. I just tight my face. All of them carry passenger, papa, they go. No passenger again, no bike again, only me stand. For like 30 minutes, one man rush the car. He say, no Okada here. Oh, I don't late. I say, oh God, they go. He say, madam, they go. I say, yes. Oh yeah, let's go. Where you they go? He said, they go Nyanya, NMPC. I say, let's go. That's how I carried my first passenger. And that time, from associate to Danyanya is 200 naira. He gave me 500. He said, Madam, go with this 300 naira change, but don't give up. And that is how I was strengthened and I zoom off. Before, even reach 1-2 minutes, I don't carry another passenger. Before 2-3 eyes don't see me, people can't normalize them. If they don't enter my machine, they don't even enter men themselves. But at first, it was shocking, and everybody was like, they shame me. Most people know they like enter my machine are women. Yes.
Women, they hardly enter
Now
your Okada.
women, they give me tough time.
Why?
Well, I don't know. Some is fear, some is inferiority complex, some are even pitying you self. You understand? Some women want go look you. Now woman me I know they enter, I beg. You know go for me. But men now, men will always, if they see woman do waiting, it's supposed to be their, they will always encourage you. But the Okada men, they encourage me. If I come, they say, you enter madam. If you no enter, with nobody they go.
Wow.
And by the soldier, you will see they go enter, I will go. Even the police where they work for Nyanya, they will pursue all the Okada go. That's why I say, madam, you stand here.
Wow.
Carry your passenger, go. Then you see that the work was very swift. The encouraging is coming very speed. And I really thank God for this one.
So you say like since 2020 now you don't start this Okada
Yes,
business.
yes,
Until today,
yes,
you dey do am.
Yes,
The market they move.
They move.
But wetin be like the challenges when you face as a woman inside commercial Okada business?
One of the challenges where they get as a woman, I am restricted a lot.
Explain.
There are some places you cannot enter, right? And there are times you cannot enter road because you have children, which you need to set 1 or 2. Maybe when people are going to road by 6 a.m. now, and you are trying to set up the children before you go, maybe they don't pack passenger finish. You understand? Then you will go and start rushing, to make you to even walk inside sun. But then, if I am not a woman, if I'm a man now, early in the morning, some 5:30, they don't enter road. So that time where I start, where we say, no picking day with me, where they help me take care of the children. So I will need arrange them, put them on my bike, go drop them for school, enter road. Then when I see time for closing, don't reach, I'll come and carry them, go house, give them food, go back to road. So it's one of the challenges I face, I know this our area where we are is place where if you carry 2 person, you understand? If you carry 2 person, the first stab you, collect your bike, anything will happen. It's one of the challenges where we say, you know, if you carry anyhow. Based on say if you woman, you know, if you overpower 1 or 2. You understand? And the last challenge we likely face now, health.
Explain.
You understand? That Okada work you are seeing, I don't do site work. So if I should compare the both, even site work is more easier for me than Okada.
How?
People see this Okada as something, to sit down for bike is very, very tedious. Sometimes, if I come back home, body go dey pain me like say they use something beat me. It will take you the grace of God to stand up to go road tomorrow, except you are a very strong person. You understand? So at first, I even thought they throw charm at me. So I said, they throw juju for me, I'll be waiting. I tell you that time I was with my guy, I said, what thing they do me? He said, no, be you go enter road. They say the Okada na small work. Now the Okada they do you. I said, and me, I know be that kind of person I be take drugs for work. Because if you take, you will continue to take. So I said, okay, no while if na body pain, we don't get used to it. I just continue my thing. Sometimes dust. You go inhale dust tire based on the car road where we get. But then we still they go believe in God that one day it go better.
But you don't get some happy, joyous moments in the course of this work. Okay, you don't get some happy moments, some joyous moments. Like you get any experience where if you say, Kai, this one sweets me. This like now the happiest day what I don't get in the course of this my work.
Definitely. That was the day I carry a passenger And that passenger happened to be, that journey happened to be the longest journey on the road so far. That was the day I carried one Mr. Samson Idoba from Nyanya, Chicken Republic, down to Apo mechanic. So I picked challenge. When I carried him, he said, "Wait, are you a woman?" I said, "Yes." He said, he's going on a very far place and he needs somebody that will take him go come. I said, "Oh God, they game. I'd already worked 4,800 naira that day. It was on Nyanya market day. And I said, "Okay, let's go." We went there to Apo mechanic. He repair his car, do everything. I returned him back and he paid me 20,000 naira. He buy me food with drink. So that day is the happiest day because the highest work if you work maybe na 10K, 12K. Our body go tell you before you go get that money. So that 20K was like 20 million naira. So I was very, very happy. That was my happiest day so far for the work.
But for inside this work, okay, don't talk and now say they make maybe 10 to 12,000, in a day. But with all of this fuel situation and everything, how it take they affect business? How Nigeria even take they affect your business compared to like year 2020 where you start and where you did today?
Well, year 2020 when I start, if you use fuel of 1,001 to take around the whole day, maybe say you go get gain well. But the Nigeria today is something else, which is one of the things that is discouraging me is because I know to get any reason to stay down. If not, now you need fuel of 4,000 naira, 4,500 to run your work, and you still have the same amount. That's
you
in 10,
12,000. Okay, you use 4 plus, take do the market,
yes,
and you get like 10, 12,000.
Yes.
And even about 6 years ago, now the same,
You use
cheaper,
1,000
but you
and
get almost the same amount.
Yes. So now if you remove 1,000 now from 12,000, now you still get like 11,000 something. You understand?
Yes.
But now if you work that 10, 12,000 naira now, you remove 4,000. If the bike is not your own, you remove like 3,500 for every day. You see that at the end of the day, the remaining money we just use and chop.
Your own bike now your own, Abi?
The one where they use now na my own. Now one good Samaritan sent bike across to me last year. That was when I even start resting small, where my body don't they come out like that. When I the right for person, yeah. So it's not easy.
Okay, you don't give us like your most happy experience. Now you fit tell us the one which shake you. Like, you get anything we don't ever make you say, "I don't do this work again." You don't waiting, don't fear you, or don't really. I don't know. You get what I trying to talk, Mama.
Talk. Waiting don't fear me now. The day where I get accident, that one shake me well. We be say I even dodge for road for like 1 month because if you see my hand, you see I'm like this.
Yes.
So now the accident with that, I go carry load onion from Orange Market. I was taking it to a park. You understand? So the way the load now overpower me. So trying to cross a gutter, we enter gutter. So I say, and that was the first time. I say, since when I do this job, I don't know see accident deal. I just carry one mind. They do my thing. But when I see that one, that day, fear grab me. But guess what? I still carry the load go.
That same day?
Yes, I still carry the load go. But when I reach house, I pack my thing. I pack my thing small. Then that thing tell me, say, nothing will not get risk. Just continue, I think they go.
So now the talk when you talk to us, now he help you overcome that fear and then.
Yes.
And since that time, you don't get any other.
I still get accident like 2-3 times. Yes, I still get accident like 2-3 times. Sometimes now if rain fall like this, where you no expect, all the slippery go carry you don't go. Then I want Aboki follow one way. Before I know even see him, we jam. But then something must kill a man.
Ha!
I think would know be that.
But none don't ever put you for hospital.
No. All these ones now, something maybe say I will just enter chemist, we go run them. And they use to they do the rest.
But sorry, what will be your plans now going forward? You plan to continue, because from everything when you don't talk, it be like it not really be like saying a sweet experience. So what will be your plan concerning this?
Well, My plan or my hope is for one day. You know, this transportation business, as I don't already enter am, it don't sweet me as a day like this. So my prayer be say, the way I see myself in the future in time is to have a transportation company where I have bikes that I will no longer ride. I'll give out to people. I always advise even women, don't relax. So if you know you feel do am to hold body for the moment until pending things good instead of to sit down doing nothing. You understand? So if I have such opportunity to have my own company, I will be very, very glad. So I'm envisioning myself. You know, if you do something and God help you to enlarge it, you will know the hooks and cranny of the business. As I did like this, people they give me machine. As they see me for road, this woman can be trusted. But you take this machine, give people when you see the feel right. Then I they give 1 or 2 person. I they carry my machine, go supervise them for their house. If they no see your alert, they call me. I know see I will go your house because I know where you dey stay.
Right now, you did do this one. Like you get people now we don't trust you,
yes.
and they also use you
Yes.
they like build chain.
Yes. You understand? So they take the help them. Though as no be say enough for money, just for help. Somebody say I know if you keep this one, I say I buy am, I go help you. If you no see alert, call me. I know where they live. You understand? I did the business, you cannot lie to me. So if tomorrow I have a company where I have bikes or I have cars, I give you, you will not come and tell me this one happen because I know what if it happen. And I know how much if you get for road, it bad as it bad. So I'm envisioning myself that one day I'll have a transportation company.
And you go use and take encourage just women or women?
I will use and take encourage women and the youth, mostly. You understand? Because people are suffering a lot on the street. And there are some people, I know how many people, madam, you don't know anybody, help me with bike. We have a lot of people who wants to work, who wants to do something, but nobody to give it out to them. Say, I take, do. So, by God's grace, and I believe I will reach that place.
Okay. Now, in the course of this, your work now, you don't go through the one they call harassment. Like men, they look at them as easy to just maybe talk to you anyhow or begin to think how to enter you or even climb bike with you and they try mess up with you. You don't experience those type of things?
The one where I don't experience now, all these men will be say they get their own problem from their own house. Will be say they enter road, some would like to, they will take over when they are not supposed to, you know. When you are coming out, they will just carry machine face you so that you fear. That kind of harassment I don't face. That is why if you reach Nyanyana or you reach Maraba, na pilot 001 that they call me. If you like full body, I'll face you. You understand? That is me for you. Full body, I go face you. Yes, all of us go fall. So some of them, the people they say you know the fear. You understand? Some they do like that. But any other harassment of I know face am. Even ticket, I know face harassment of ticket. You know, I no buy any tickets, nothing like ID card, nothing. They free me because I only me there among them. They encourage me a lot.
So generally, you go feel say the fact that you even be woman, it actually favor you for this work.
Yes.
The men not they try intimidate you or anything. They actually even put you on.
They encourage me well. They encourage me. Those who they leave change, there I go. In fact, there was the day that I was standing in Yanya Market day, where people gather, they look me like masquerade. The man say, what they happen? Say, an Okada woman. It was December period. And the man open it wine out. He said, Madam, come. I can't ride my machine, come there. I can't greet her. Say, how are you? I say, fine. He said, this work they do? He said, yes. He said, yeah. I don't get anything, no. Come open a piece, come give me 20K. He said, buy December shoe for your picking. I say, yeah, thank you, sir. So you see, say the encouragement dey. Anybody will enter my bike, they be celebrity, just like that. You go see people go they look you. If you be man, they go they look you. People go they wave you. Say you didn't get mine, sit down for the bike. So one man laugh, he say, man, I say, you make me happy. I know get joy before I come on house, but as you carry me, everybody they smile, everybody will say you can't be happy. I say, nah, God.
So how you take the balance this your work with raising family? Because like you talk now, you say your organo dey in the picture. So the children deal with you.
Yes, they do
So
with
how
me.
you dey balance bringing them up and then running this business together?
Well, when I gave birth to my last baby 3 years ago, because even with pregnancy, I use and do this work. 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, as I know if you start back again, I come pause. Then before the marriage end. So when my baby grew up small, I see say I know if he sit down. So I have to bring one of my elder sister's daughter about 14, 15 years to come deal with me so that she go fit dey help me assist the children. I put them in the same school. All of them, they will arrange, I'll drop them. Then when they come back, they will come back together with her. Even if I no come carry them again, they fit come back. Then one food, she can cook, she can fetch water. So, and my first son is 10 years already, so he might fetch water. So they are growing already, and God is helping me. No challenge. No challenge so far.
Wow. Okay, now if you want to talk about really life based on the woman where you be, you feel say women they need to work like twice as hard as men or other people when it comes to trying to survive.
The way life don't be now, women need to wake up. I'm telling you, women need to wake up. I heard a lot of things. You know, most of my passengers are men. I heard a lot of things. Even Abuki people, Hausa wey I don't carry. We believe say wife suppose dey for house. Nah, not be so. E no be say e dey their mind, make their women no do anything, but because one or two, maybe religion or ethnicity or tradition and the rest. You understand? If not, no man wey no one making wife or woman wey dey like, they strong, they follow am. You understand? So every woman supposed to, I no talk say make you do like me, but make you try for no sit down one place. They look, make oga, only him they bring, can't give you. Just do your best because that oga wey you get today, if he buy tomorrow now, waiting gonna happen. Then you know if you survive, you go come look for another man and be how. So every woman supposed to get side something where they do, where they give you 1 or 2 to help yourself and help the family. To me.
Okay, but so far, inside all of the work where you say they do, so which one you they enjoy the most?
I enjoy all of my work.
All, you don't get one way past anyone.
No one will pass me. I pass all of them, sir.
They don't ever give you maybe a project, maybe painting job or plastering job or something to even do where they be no know who go do am. So when you just appear, say, now this person go do am, they can't shock or can't somehow they discouraged. Or you don't ever get anyone who refuse to even give you work because of who you be, and maybe later they just surprise after they see your doings.
You get one contract where I collect for New Nyanya, plastering. Now, person refer me to the man, he's even a policeman. He tell am say he get a person we won't give am. Though you know quickly tell am say na woman. So now later they talk, he come tell am say na woman or na their tribal person, na Igala gay. He say, how can you give me a woman? How can you give me? Say that lady know what she they do. He say, I bring her now. But when you see me, he did discouraged. But when they talk, he say, okay, let me give her the benefit of doubt. Then he give me the work. By the special grace of God, we deliver her. You understand? I don't handle 3-bedroom flats.
Wow.
Last year.
Wow. Based on your talk, where you say you actually don't get plenty support. So you think, say, Nigeria right now, would they more understanding and accepting of women to take they do any kind of job? You don't feel say Nigeria now no be place where they will say this work na man work, this one na woman work. Say any work now for anybody. And Nigeria they ready for that.
To me, Nigeria they ready for that. You don't hurt outside. You don't choke. Understand? So any work where you know say you go do, we go fit solve problem, please do it. Do it with passion. Do it with joy. As I did, I get problem. Upon all the challenges what they tell you no go ever know. Because I dey always they smile through they do because that one now they do my encouragement. That's why I say if nobody send you, make you send yourself. If nobody encourage you, encourage yourself. try your best, because those children where you born, they no send you now, you bring them come. So do your best, make it give them life. Maybe say even if their papa no fit give them, you give them the life, because they come through you come. Paternity of a child can be dared, but the maternity, nothing fit stop them. That is why you see saying na mama people, they love pikin pass papa people, please. You understand?
But your children, at least you say your first now don't reach 10 years, so you don't they aware. They know saying at work with their mama they do be this. How did they feel about them? Again, but maybe you don't bring them maybe some form of yapping or whatever. Or how you when they sit down, so what is the conversation they be like between you and them when you don't do all of this?
You get one day way my pikin come back from school. He say, "Mommy, they ask us what our parents they do." So they come ask me what your own mommy they do. He say, "Mommy is a hustler." I say, "What be hustler?" He said, "Of your Okada they do." Now I say, "Okay, when you talk that thing, what come happen?" He say, "In classmate come they laugh." I say, they laugh. Say, don't mind them. If they hungry, he say, "No. Your school fees in call. They pursue you for school since when I started this Okada." He say, "No." I said, "Forget them. Your mommy they ride Okada. Be proud of it." Did you understand? They come say, "Okay, no wahala." And nothing concern them since then. They are okay.
Okay, but how far your husband, their father, is he present in their life?
Well, since what makes me to leave was that lack of taking responsibility. You understand? And when I left, I don't expect anything, because I left for that purpose. So for now, he's not in their life, because I try for him to be, but he always abuse the privilege of me pushing the children to him, as if I'm still pushing more responsibility after I don't come out. So all those things. So it make me for now just leave and making the doing thing they go. As long as say if they happy, making do they go. Me, I will try my best till when I come out for this world, before they go feel suffer. If not, as I still there, I will try my best. I no disturb them, no query, I no report them, I no arrest them, I no do anything. But making the way in the, if they grow, make them go their papa. But my own be see, as long as I me choose their papa for them. And if the papa no good for me, now me go live with the consequences. Not be them.
Nice philosophy there. But if you sit down now and you do flashback, maybe to you when you were young or when you were planning your life, if, for instance, you have to rewrite your story, what thing you will change then and the reality of today?
I go change a lot. I go change a lot. And one of the things where I go change, you know, we Nigerians, the kind of educational system where they give us, everything na theory. So I didn't I know say now like this life go be man. I focus on becoming a building engineer. You understand? We be say if I get guidance, now what I have to study for school.
Okay.
But imagine say I go study English for school. Do you understand? So if say me will come go back, I will rewrite that place. That time where I even come go do 3 years for that place, I for learn more. We have for don't do more professional the way I want for this particular one.
Now, make we talk of issue of support. You get, you mentioned something now, say plenty people do. We actually won't work. Now, just say they don't see waiting to do. And if you follow the story for Nigeria, just of recent, Madam First Lady being come out when they talk of people where they do small business, they collect water and all of that. But if you now, based on you day, sorry, but as if one talking like you there among the, let's say the vulnerable one, the ones where need this support to push waiting that they do. If we dey talk support, wetin you expect from government them, private organizations, Nigerians them, to take do support for those ones them we really need this work, but they just no see am?
You see, any leader where we get now, they know the right thing to do to ease our stress as the rest less privileged. But doing it is the problem. There are little things. This thing is not much. Like there's a woman, no, a man in Maraba now that came with a company, this TVS. He bring it like 2 to 250 bikes. If you dey street, you know they do anything, so yeah, come carry one. But you go return am today. But you must see food. You understand my point? They call am either Khadija waiting. You write am for him bike, there plenty. So you come carry, at the end of the day, you work 10,000 naira, you go bring like 3-5 for am. When you get the bike, you go wash the bike, come back am. If you like, if you no see work tomorrow, you fit still come back, come carry am. So imagine say government get that kind of thing. We be say their own myself go feel less pass because na private person. Imagine saying a government say, okay, instead of make you dey street, they steal, or they do yahoo, or they do bad thing, or they go prostitution, they do all these things, do hook up. You come, wetin you fit do, or you carry and come back. They will get maintenance officers where they go dey maintain the bike when it's spoiled. But your own be say, make you carry go. So if you get accounting for Maraba, get them for Yanya, get them for Kuje, get such places.
That's places we still they accept bikes. Because some places
you
also they don't
understand?
ban bike.
You understand? This thing what they tell you, even for state governors, for your own state, look at what you can do to ease all this bad character where children they grow up with now. Because of lack of what to do. Okay, we get tailors now where they don't learn tailor, no money to buy machine. What if government get that kind of machine for big place? Or you come bring clothes, console, or go bring clothes for you. You so at the end of the day you will get something. Even the government too will get from you.
So if people now they listen now, they just listen, they like what you do, and they feel say they want to support you. Which kind of support you really need, and how they feel reach you?
I no be hidden person to start with. I am Pilot 01. I dey live for Asobi, Maraba. And the kind of support what I need is to expand this transportation business. You understand? Is to expand, even to start with, even if nothing. If I feel get motor, I go feel from this sun, at least enter motor, feel they do my own body work, I go still do am. You understand my point? I go feel do am. Maybe see at the end of the day, you know, say if I go feel get 10K, 12K for bike, if na motor 1 month, I dey come back as I go dey smile now. Especially see now you get the motor already. So that can support go dey bongo for me. Where you understand? I'm prone and open to any kind of support.
Any kind of
support.
You do social media?
Yes.
Drop your social media handles where they for feel reach you.
My name is Atabo Justina for Facebook, for Instagram, and for TikTok.
Atabo Justina.
Pilot 001.
On all social media handles.
Yes.
You get phone number. If you drop your phone number in case anybody here and they want to reach out.
I get phone number. My number na 091 25 30 7879.
Okay, so anybody, if you just call you, message you on top that number.
Yes, ma'am. My WhatsApp number with that too.
And you say you there Asobi for
Yes,
Mararaba.
Yes, ma'am.
Very popular. Pilot 001.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So in conclusion, what will be your last message to everybody where they listen and watch you right now?
Well, my last message to everyone looking and watching at me: if you are opportune to see a woman at all doing anything, even for men or for women, if you can't encourage the person, keep quiet. You understand? If you cannot encourage her, keep quiet. But I will urge, let Nigerians encourage people to hustle. Some people know they come out because of body shaming. Like me, I don't hear a lot. Some people will say, see your bum big, go. Say you go cover everywhere for machine. You go hear plenty talk. Not be every woman get the kind of mind where I get. So as Nigerians, let's encourage ourselves to do better than throwing insult and discouraging our gender to be idle. And lastly, every man watching me today, try as much as possible to empower your wife. Support her to do something, because that life where you get, no be you get her. If anything happen, your children now then go suffer pass. The woman if you go they follow another man, even forget your children. So try, even a small thing, encourage her to do. Yes, ma'am.
Try, even if not small thing, encourage your woman to do. And for every woman out there, not just sit down while I do. You get something doing. Get something doing. Our guest today, now Madam Atabo Justina, all the way from Asobi, from Araba. To the best of our knowledge, the only female Abuja Okada rider we know. Thank you so much, Justina.
Thank you, ma.
Grant us this interview.
Thank you, ma.
We wish you success for everything
Amen.
you continue to
Amen.
do.
Amen.
And we hope say that your dream, what you say you get, it will come true for you.
Amen.
As you're going to encourage others.
Amen. Thank you, mama.
Yes, so and so you don't hear now. Say as we wrap up this edition of Ogbonge Women today, one thing we will know for sure we say courage, no gender, courage, no man, courage, no woman, and dignity can only be seen for inside honest work. Don't show us, Madam Justina, today don't show us, say, barriers, most times, things we say, blessed that they block road, you suppose break up. Whether you dey ride Okada, abi you dey paint building, abi you dey lay block, or you dey work for construction site, Madam Justina dey continue to show determination, to show hard work, and to show say with commitment and serious mind, nothing wey person go fit do. To every woman where they watch today, make Madam Justina to re-encourage you and push you to believe inside your own ability and to make sure say you put hand for honest work and not allow all of this stereotype to determine how your today or tomorrow go look like. And to our viewers, thank you very much. Say you did with us on top this inspiring edition of Ogbonge Women. Until next time, continue to celebrate excellence, courage, and the wonderful, inspiring stories of women where they make difference every single day. My name na Princess Anyana, and continue to like us, follow us, subscribe to our pages, and enjoy everything we would do on all social media platforms at CHRICED Radio TV. For our website, na www.crisedradioandtv.com. Enjoy the rest of your day.